Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Strap in folks, this is going to be a controversial topic. I already know it before I hit the record button. I'm going to read something to you real quick, then leave a comment down below, let me know where you think I got it from, and whether it's right or not. And then come back up and finish watching the rest of the video. Here it is. The transceiver is used for amateur radio service per Part 97 and is exempt from FCC certification. Exempt being the key word there. There is no such thing as this radio is certified for ham radio. It doesn't exist because we're amateurs, me and you. We're allowed to do this. We have a license to experiment, and it is on us, the station operator, to maintain compliance with what the regulations are. And those regulations aren't all that difficult to maintain compliance with, and it depends on when the transmitter was made and what kind of usage you're going to use. But a lot of people are homebrewing radios like me inside of their ham shacks like this one, where anything goes as long as you are not interfering with anybody else in your area. And when I say anything goes, I mean no spurious emissions. Stay within the confines of the ruling. If I have a 3,000 watt dummy load and I want to put out a 3,000 watt signal into that dummy load, well, I got more money than I need, so it's totally legal. If I want to do it over an antenna, that's where it starts to get interesting. I want to put out 3,000 watts with a ham license over a regular antenna and broadcast to the world. Nope, that's a problem. But whether the radio itself is certified or not a problem. That thing I just read is from an attestation from a lab for a commercial radio product. To make it even better, it's not from a Chinese radio product. It's not from a Chinese lab, like y'all are thinking. It's not even from either of the two manufacturers that were in the thumbnail of this video. This is the attestation letter, that's a hard word to say, from the Icom 705. I'll link it below for you. So there's no such thing. And we argue about it all the time as hams. That radio's doesn't have an FCC certification. No ham radio has a ham radio FCC certification. The 705 does have a Part 15 scanning receiver certification, but there ain't no such thing as a ham radio certification. I made this video so you can point to all your friends and say, look, he's got the information. This is the truth. This is the lab report. This is on the FCC's website. I'll also do one for you from the Yaesu, brand new, that just came out in 2025. It also doesn't have any kind of grant or license to exist. It has an ID with the FCC, and if you look at some of these, it's the same front side, which indicates the manufacturer, and then the manufacturer makes up their own backside, which is why you'll see like UV5R in the FCC ID. You think the FCC did that? It's all vanity from the manufacturer. Next time somebody starts telling you that they've got an FCC certified ham radio, you can laugh at them just like I do. Now, come at me down below in the comments, and the best comment wins. I don't know what you win, but I guess you win the comments. So make sure that if you are watching this video and you are playing along, that you like the comment down below that resonates with you the most. Even if it is, this guy's an idiot, because I can take it. I've got the proof. I know I'm right. I don't need to worry about what y'all think about me in those comments, leaving nasty comments.
Device under test is an amateur radio that operates in a variety of bands in D-Star, DV, SSB, CW, AM, and FM modes. The IC705 receives continuously from the medium wave broadcast band to the 144 MHz band. It also utilizes FM broadcast and airband reception. Its receive frequency range is 0.030 to 470.000 MHz. The transceiver is used for amateur radio service. Part 97 is exempt from FCC certification. As stated on the FCC Wireless Telecommunication Bureau, WTB, website for Part 97 of the FCC, OET. Equipment operations program does not generally apply to amateur radio service station transmitters.
The scanning receiver was tested to comply with Part 47 CFR 15, 109, 111, and 121. That's that Part 15 I talked about earlier. If you really want to get deeper into this, it's called the Mandela effect, where we all believe something in common that is actually not true. Like, Luke, I am your father. Didn't actually happen that way.
No, I am your father. Say what?
If y'all like controversial, spicy videos like this, then this is the channel for you. Right below this, there is a subscribe button. I'm on a mission to get 100,000 subscribers this year, and you can help. That means that the message is getting out and people are enjoying ham radio. Right next to that subscribe button, there is a thumbs up if you like it, and a thumbs down if you don't. Cool thing about YouTube is either one of those tells YouTube to show the video to more people, so click either one, whichever one makes you happy. There's a video right over here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.